Good morning Good morning สบายดีตอนเช้า I get up at 6:30 I get up at 6:30 I make my bed I make my bed I wash my face I wash my face I brush my teeth I brush my teeth I take a shower I take a shower I comb my hair I comb my hair I water the flowers I water the flowers I feed my pets I feed my pets I do my housework I do my housework I help my mother cook breakfast I help my mother cook breakfast I have breakfast at 7:15 I have breakfast at 7:15 I drink coffee I drink coffee I drink water I drink water I go to school I go to school I drive to work I drive to work I work in the office I work in the office I study Chinese at schools I study Chinese at school I leave school at 11:30 I leave school at 11:30 I leave work at noon I leave work at noon I arrive home at 12:30 I arrive home at 12:30 I eat lunch at 12:40 I eat lunch at 12:40 I take a nap for 30 minutes I take a nap for 30 minutes I take a rest at home I take a rest at home I walk to market I walk to market I mop the floor I mop the floor I pick my son up I pick my son up I see my daughter off I see my daughter off I cut the firewood I cut the firewood I listen to music I listen to music I play football with friends I play football with friends I go for a walk I go for a walk I go for a ride I go for a ride I eat dinner I eat dinner I read a book. I read a book. I do my homework. I do my homework. I sing a song. I sing a song. I watch TV. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.